Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to make a Toyota Supra in Car Parking Multiplier. First, head over to the dealership and select the iconic Toyota Supra. You'll need a good amount of in-game cash, usually around $500,000, to get started. This car is a fantastic base for customization, offering a great blend of speed and style right from the start. Let's dive into making it truly yours. Now, let's talk power. To truly unleash your Supra's potential, upgrade the engine to its highest level. Many players opt for engines like the M838, which can push your car beyond 2,000 horsepower. Don't forget the suspension. Adjusting it will give you better control and stability, especially when you're pushing the limits. Finally, tweak those gearbox ratios to either launch faster or hit incredible top speeds. Once your Supra is a beast under the hood, it's time to make it look the part. Dive into the visual customization options. You can choose from various body kits, spoilers, and a vast selection of wheels to define its exterior. Don't shy away from bold paint colors and detailed decals to make your Supra truly stand out. Adjusting the camber and ride height can give it that perfect, aggressive stance. Make it a reflection of your unique style. The final step is all about refinement and mastery. Spend time fine-tuning your gear ratios. A slight adjustment can dramatically change your car's performance, whether you're aiming for quick launches or blistering top speeds. Crucially, practice driving your newly built Supra. Every car handles differently, and mastering yours will give you a significant edge. Don't be afraid to experiment with settings to find what works best for you. And remember to keep up with maintenance for consistent performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.